Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to know which app is best to learn how to solve Rubik Cube. So open Play Store and search Rubik Cube. Click on that. Then install it. I have already installed it. Now open the app. We can see timer option, where we can set timer to solve this. And we can see different types of Rubik Cube like 2x2, 3x3, 4x4 etc. Now open 3x3 and we can see 3 options: solve, learn, and patterns. In solve option, we have to give the colors of our Rubik Cube and it will solve that by guiding the steps. In learn, it will teach us from scrap zero to hero. Enjoy this.